Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use interactive brokers for beginners. First, let's understand what makes interactive brokers a powerful platform. It offers access to a vast array of global markets, including stocks, options, futures, and more. With competitive pricing and advanced tools, it's designed for serious investors. We'll cover account setup, funding, and placing your first trade, making it easy to get started. Setting up your interactive broker's account is a straightforward process. You'll start by filling out an online application, providing personal and financial details. Identity verification is crucial, so have your documents ready. Once approved, you can fund your account through several convenient methods, such as a wire transfer or ACH. Remember, a minimum deposit of $10,000 is often suggested for margin accounts. Navigating the interactive brokers platform, whether it's Trader Workstation or the client portal, is key to successful trading. Use the intuitive search function to locate your desired assets. When placing an order, specify the quantity, choose your order type, like market or limit, and set your price. Always double-check all details before confirming your trade to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. Interactive Brokers offers a wealth of features to support your trading journey. Leverage their extensive research tools and real-time market data to make informed decisions. Experiment with advanced order types, such as stop limit or trailing stops, to manage risk effectively. Don't forget to explore their comprehensive educational materials. If you ever need help, their customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.